The affectionate name children use towards their father in Italian is
papà,
it's the equivalent of dad or daddy in English.
papà,
A very easy mistake you might make when you first start learning Italian is to accidentally place the emphasis on the first rather than the last syllable. If you place it on the first, you get
papa.
which is the word for the Pope.
Mio papà ha conosciuto il Papa.
My dad met the Pope. Also make sure not to confuse it with the similar sounding
Pappa.
the childish word for food, and the name for baby food or mush.
Il papà ha dato la pappa al suo bambino.
The father fed the baby food to his child. A girl who's particularly attached to or spoiled by her father is called
Bella di papà.
or
Cocca di papà.
daddy's girl in Italian. 4 cute variations on this word are the diminutive forms
Papi, papino, paparino.
and the short form.
Pa.
When I was working as an au pair in Italy, the children I looked after almost always called their dad
Papi.
instead of papà. Another nickname you may hear quite often, especially in and around Tuscany, is
Babbo.
which is the same word seen in the name Italians give to Santa Claus.
Babbo Natale.
The term,
Figlio di papà.
literally son of dad, refers to a man who enjoys the benefits or comforts of belonging to a rich or prestigious family. The equivalent expression in English is to be born with a silver spoon in one's mouth. In addition to one's biological father,
Padre biologico.
there are different kinds of dads worth celebrating. These include
Nonno.
grandfather,
Bisnonno.
great-grandfather,
Suocero.
father-in-law,
Padrino.
godfather,
Patrigno.
stepfather,
Padre adottivo.
adoptive father,
Padre affidatario.
foster father,
Figura paterna.
father figure.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.